I hope audio video clear from my side. So welcome you all to the Achieversaddaugcnet platform. TB is the highest one. So generally ignore about all the zeros. TB is the highest one. If you go in a logical way, logical means like a type of KB, MB type of memorization was done in that way. TB is the highest. So with a C only one option is available. Answer is D. C is the first one. Done. Okay. C is the first one, which is the largest. But we require how to calculate. Sir, what is the decimal calculation? I will give a calculation now. How to solve it? Sir, we know that 10 power 3 equal to KB. 10 power 6 equal to MB. Right now? 10 power 9 equal to GB. 10 power 12 equal to TB. So can I say this is 10 power 12, 1 TB equal to? Right up. 10 power 12. Now here 10 lakh is there now. 10 lakh is nothing but 1 lakh into 10. Right? 1 lakh into, here 10 lakh is there. 10 lakh KB. So 1 KB equal to 10 power 3. This is 1 KB. 1 KB equal to 10 power 3. That is 1 KB equal to 10 power 3. But 10 lakh is there. So 10 power 3 is 1 KB. Remaining 10 lakh, how can I write? This 10 into 6 is a 10 lakh or not? 10 into 10 into 10 into 10 into 10 into 10. 10 tens are 100, 100 tens are 1000, 1000 tens are 10,000, 10,000 tens are 1 lakh, 1 lakh tens are 10 lakh. 10 power 6 into 10 power 3, which is bases are same, powers to be added 6 plus 3, 10 power 9. Sir, I am just explaining in a detailed way. That is why it is taking a time. In your mind, if you calculate, it will not take even 1 minute of time. Simply you can calculate. It doesn't require much time. Now here 1 lakh MB is there. 1 MB equal to how much we know? 1 MB is 10 power 6. We know that. And here 1 lakh is there. 1 lakh is nothing but, remove this 10 power 5. So 5 plus 6, 10 power 11. 10 power 12 already there. And this is 3 zeros. 6 plus 4. Total 10 zeros are there. 10 zeros are nothing but 10 power 10 will come. So, but byte 10 power 10. Byte equal to 1 bit only. So there is no multiplication is required because already 10 power 1 only it is. And your 100 GB is nothing but 1 GB, 10 power 9. And 100 is there. 100 means 10 power 2. 100 into 10 into 10. So here 9 plus 2, 10 power 11. 10 power 11. So two 10 power 11s are there. Which is the highest now? 10 power 12 is the highest. After that 10 power 11, 2 are there. Two 10 power 11s are there. This one is there and this one is there. After that 10 power 10 is there. After that 10 power 9 is the lowest one. So first is a C. That is only one option. Second either B or E. Anyone. B or E both are same only. B or E. And D is the 10 power 10. A is the 10 power 9. Understood how to calculate. Sir, I am giving you the logic behind this. Even without that also you can able to answer. But I just want to justify your explanation. Justify your understanding. I'm sorry. I hope I am clear. If you can write that first, that's why I explained that table. If you can write that table first, reveal the answer for sure, without any doubt. Next. Match it please. 1000, billion, million, trillion is given. Which is the lowest, which is the highest? In 1000, million, billion, trillion, which is the lowest, which is the highest? 1000 is the lowest. Out of this all, KB, GB, TB, MB, which is the lowest? KB is the lowest. So lowest to be matched to the lowest. KB is nothing but 1000. After the KB, MB will come. So after the 1000, what will come? After the 1000, what will come? Million will come. Right? After the MB, GB will be there. So GB is billion, million, billion. and TB is a trillion. So thousand. After the thousand, million, billion, trillion. So lowest to highest. Tera is the highest, which is a trillion, and KB is the lowest, which is 1,000. That's how we can able to match it. Answer will be A. Answer will be A. Next, Rome related question. Related to Rome. These things have been covered in our course, that is 50 days crash course, sure shot NET JRF course. Whatever I've launched, previous year questions of paper 1 from 2023 June and December I have covered, and 2024 June and December also I have covered. Everything on a topic wise with a proper analysis, proper explanation, everything I have provided in this course. And some will be taking in live also. Some of the units like a teaching, research and higher education will be taken in live. And paper 2 commerce as well as management 2019 to 25, everything we have done on a topic wise basis. So you can take advantage at a lesser amount. In this, we are not only providing a PYQ. This is only one component. In this, you are going to get a revision. Already recorded, uploaded session marathons are available, where you will get a conceptual clarity of all the topics in a less time. And revision live sessions also will be conducted from June examination. Same total revision, including a new topic revision will be done. And 80 plus NTA CBT mock tests are available. Everything will be available inside a single course. If you can apply, the usual price for the both paper 1 and commerce, paper 1 and management is 4299. But till the 12th of May, if you can apply the NET JRF code, 24% direct discount is going to be available. Inside the app, you can just go to the login into the app and go to the UGC NET option, and you can able to see this course. Apply the coupon. Coupon will be available there only. The NET JRF is a coupon code. Right? 90 days validity will be there, and it will be in English medium. So everything is available. Everything will be provided with explanation only. So you can just take a benefit of it. If you want only a single paper, that is also available. 1899 only after a discount. Only paper 1 or only paper 2 commerce or management. Thank you so much. If you have any doubt, do approach on our WhatsApp number. So we have our WhatsApp number also. Thank you so much. About Rome, read only memory. The contents of the memory remain intact, even the power of Rome is turned off. Super. Non-volatile or volatile? Rome is often used to store startup, call it as booting memory, boot up memory or booting memory. When you turn on the computer first, as the ROM becomes full, processor has to continually access the hard disk, which is wrong, because hard disk is a secondary. This ROM is a primary memory, it cannot access to that. ROM is volatile? No. Is it volatile? Is it volatile? RAM is volatile. RAM is volatile. ROM is not volatile in nature. Non-volatile. Even though power is turned off, it remains intact. It remains same part. Memory or the data will not lose. So first and second option is correct. Third one is wrong. Fourth one is non-volatile. A and B are the correct answers. Next. Which of the following pair is incorrectly matched? This you should give correct answer, sir. Should not go wrong. Wide area network, optical mark reader, universal serial bus it is, not a secure bus. It will become serial. Now, sir, let us try to calculate some calculative related question. The camera to capture the images of each person entering the gift shop. Each image taken requires 1 MB. So every one image requires 1 MB. Right, sir? If the camera captures image for every second, captures an image every second over a 24-hour time period. So for a one image, how much time it is taking? 5 seconds for 1 MB or a one image. So within 24-hour time period, how much storage is required? How much storage is required? Within 24 hours, that is the question. 5 seconds it is taking for one image. Right, 5 seconds it is taking for one image. So for a 1 minute, 5 seconds for one image. 1 minute 60 seconds. 1 minute 60 seconds. So in 60 seconds, how many images it can take? 1 minute equal to 60 seconds. 60 divided by 5 seconds. Total 12 images it can take. 12 images per minute per 60 seconds. So per 1 hour, how many minutes? Per 1 hour, 12 images into 60 minutes will be the per hour. Minutes are 60 minutes per 1 hour. 12 into 60. 12 into 60, how much? 720. 12 6 are 72. 72 minutes. This is for 1 hour. Question is about 24 hour. 24 hours. 720 minutes are 720 is the capacity. 720 into 24 hours time period. Per hour into 24 hours. How much it will come? How much it will come? And they are saying all options in GB. GB, 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 GB. GB, 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 GB. Fine. So GB, GB means ultimately whatever the memory comes, we should divide it now because this is the time. We should divide it by 1024. So 1024 we can divide. Instead of that, you can do even 1000 also. If the options are not very near, we can do 1000 also, but we have to do accurately as the options are very near. So 720 into 24 divided by 1024. How much it can come? Please give the calculation of this. One by one sequence, if you can do it, it will be very easy. Otherwise, question itself, you will feel very difficult. Do it by 1000, how much will come, sir? If you do it by 1000. Chalo, if you are doing 1024, then it is 16.87 as per your calculation it is coming. But if you do it by 1000, how much it is coming? 720 into 24 divided by 1000. So 0, 0 cancel. 720 into 24 divided by 100. How much it is coming? Is it coming nearly? 17.28 will come, na? So 1728 divided by 100 means point here, 17.28. So 17 answer is not there. As we removed, we can choose the lowest one, that is 16 nearby. Right? If we keep the 1000, but usually we have to keep 1024 only, as 1 KB equal to 1024. And this is the calculation which we have to do it. Understood? Any doubt in the calculation? First is correct, option 1. Now this is December 2022. Some questions are there, you can look at. A security system records a video. Same similar type of trend. 1 minute of video requires 1 MB. 1 minute, which means 60 seconds of video equal to 180 MB. Right? The recording system can store several hours of a video footage. How much storage would be needed for 2 hours of video? So 2 hours, 60 minutes for 1 hour. Right? So that is 60 into 180 per minute. Na? Next, 2 hours means 120. That is 2 hours. So that means, can I say 120 into 180? I am giving the calculation in hand. As the date, options are in GB, 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 GB. What we need to divide? What we need to divide? Simply, options are in GB, na? So options are in GB means 120 into 180. 180 MB per minute into 120 minutes divided by 1024. 1024. Only one option is available now, 21 point something. If you do the calculation, 21 point something will come. Whatever it is, we don't want. Only one option is available, that is option number 3. 21 point something. So that's how the calculation. First, write down with the simplification, whatever the data which is given. 1 minute, 180 MB, which is 60 seconds. So 1 hour equal to 60 minutes, 2 hours equal to 120 minutes into 180 divided by GB is given 1024, MB also 1024. Here MB data given, that's why we divided by 1024. If the GB data given and options are in MB, we will multiply the 1024. Because in a bigger the data is given, smaller is the option. We will multiply. If the data is in small, later bigger in options, then we will divide it. Next, byte packet 512 byte using 56 kilobits, 1 kilo equal to 1000 per second modem is about. Time they are asking now. I told 1 byte equal to eight bits. Right now? 8 bit. So 1 bit equal to this 8 will come this side. 1 by 8 bytes. 1 by 8 is nothing but 12.5. Based on that, now you arrive at the answer slowly. 512 bytes is given. bytes. That is, byte is given, here bits is given. We should convert byte into bit or bit into byte. Any one we require a conversion. And speed is already given. Speed is 56 kilobits per second. kbps is 56 kbps is given. Kilobits per second is 56. 1 kilo equal to 1000, like that 56. So means 56,000. 56 into 1000. Simply 512 bytes. 512 bytes into 8. Because 1 byte equal to 8 bits. We are converting into bits. 1 byte equal to 8 bits. So 512 into 8 bits. So this will become byte. Divided by, what is the speed? This is the storage. What is the speed? Time equal to distance divided by speed. Here size divided by speed. 56 into 1000, because per second 1000. So here 512 into 8 divided by 56,000. Can we cancel anything? 56 can we cancel? Possible to cancel? With the 8 table? 56, 7, 8 7 is 56 now. $73 point something will come. 73 point something. What is the answer? Option number 3. So that's how the calculation goes on. Next, Alisha has agreed to send Kushi. Alisha to Kushi. Something she is sending. 20 MB 5. So she is sending 20 MB 5. They both have broadband internet connection. They both have, Alisha is having, Kushi is having, both are having internet connection. Alisha need to upload the file so that Kushi can download the file. Right? Kushi needs to download, Alisha needs to upload. The broadband data transfer rates. The broadband data transfer rate speeds are 1 Mbps, 1 megabits per second to upload. So here 1 Mbps speed for Alisha for uploading, 8 Mbps for downloading. So highest speed is available to 𝐻𝐻𝐸 or Alisha? Which is highest speed? 𝐻𝐻𝐸 is having highest speed and Alisha is having less speed. If P and Q represents the time taken in seconds, if P and Q represents the time taken, this is the speed and time taken is PQ in second to upload and download Alisha file respectively P and Q. Time taken will be how much? Bolo sir, bolo. Logic number 1. Simply how to answer. Time and speed are inversely proportional or directly proportional? Number 1 question. Inversely proportional or directly proportional? It means high time it will take. Here high speed means low time it will take. So high time, low time. Out of all the options, first high, second low. How many options are there? We can eliminate this, because this is first low. Now we have only these two options, that is 144 and 18, 160 and 20. But how to calculate them? Because we need to arrive at. We eliminated two options. Now we need to arrive at the correct answer. 20 MB is the file. This is 1 Mbps. 20 MB is the file. So 20 into, she is able to download at a 8 Mbps speed. File is 20 MB only. Now how much time it will take to her? For 𝐻𝐻𝐸, how much time it will take? Simply, this is a 20 MB and it is megabit per second. Mbps, megabit per second. So 20 MB file, 8 Mbps already. So 8 Mbps, 1 MB equal to 8 bits. So that will be 20 MB file divided by 1 will be the timing which is required for 𝐻𝐻𝐸, and here same 20 MB file requires 1 by 8, because 1 by 8 I already told you 8 bits equal to 1 byte. So 1 bit equal to megabit, bit per second given na, 1 by 8 bytes. So here the speed will be 1 by 8, 20 into 8. This 8 will go up, 20 into 8 will be 160 minutes or seconds. 160 seconds it will take. 160 seconds. 20 divided by 1 by 8 will come. Here only 1, because 8 bit equal to 1 byte. The question is on megabit per second. Megabit per second is given. So we should take first 1 bit equal to 1 by 8. That's how the calculation goes on for this question. So what is the answer? Finally you can conclude option D, 160, 20. Arrives with 20 itself, you can arrive at the answer, option D, because we eliminated 2. Now correct sequence of the missing units of data A to D to represent the size as it changes in size. The data increase in size from smallest to largest. Size point of view need to arrange. I already told you. Size also I already told you. Size. Keep this in arrangement. Nibble. Like that it will come now. First bit. Later nibble. Binary digit equal to 4 bits equal to 1 nibble. So first one will be, here byte is there, here nibble is there. First one will be nibble. Second one will be byte. Third one will be KB. Later GB. Sorry. Later MB. Later GB. That's how it will go. Nibble, byte, KB, MB, and letter T. Already been given. Just we fill the blanks. Fill in the blank type question it is. Nibble. Above the nibble, first one will be bit, na? Bit. Means a binary digit. Now arrange them. Which of the following memories A to D? 1, 2, 3, 4 are represented here. So first one, second one, third one, fourth one, we need to fill in the blank. Keep them in arrangement. These 4 we need to arrange them in 1, 2, 3, 4 places. D, we should place here D. And all the option, first option, second option, last option is a D. Cache memory. After the cache memory, what will come? Primary memory will come. Either ROM or RAM we can able to place with a second one. So what is their random access memory? C will come, RAM. After that, so SSD is given. After the SSD, hard disk drive will come, or else any other memory. Hard disk or magnetic hard disk is already been given, so it can be B here. After that, magnetic tape, which is A. So DCBA, option number D is the perfect answer for this question. So now, did you get the confidence for solving the memory questions? How to deal with the memory questions in an easier way rather than taking a time and can't able to understand the question. Many people doesn't know how to do it. It is very simple. If you can remember the table and remember the logic of the table, it is very easy for you to calculate. That's about today's session, sir.